Alright, hey, what's up YouTube? Just a quick video here. I got a Bissel little green Hydrosteam pet steam cleaner here. Reason being, my dog had an accident this morning on the carpet, so I'm gonna clean it up right quick. Again, this is the Bissel little green Hydrosteam pet. I'm gonna try it out. I literally just unboxed it. I added this attachment here, so this is the one that sprays from the nozzle here, and then obviously has the suction capability there. The attachment comes off and clicks on pretty easily with this clip here, and it's also like a quick release, so you just depress the tab and then it'll release. The hose, it's about 5 feet long to the unit. This is the dirty water tank, and it locks and unlocks just by flipping up the handle there. It's got 3 modes. You can see it's on the off position right now: steam, wash, steam, and then wash. I'll be using the wash mode. That's what it recommends on the directions. And then I've already pre-filled the clean water tank and added the solution to the required lines. And this again kind of lifts up with the handle. Plenty of room to put your hand in there. And then the fill bottle's pretty easy because you just flip the lid and then pour the solution and water in there. The cord's pretty long. I'd say probably like 20 feet or so. And yeah, let's kind of give this thing a whirl, unfortunately with a pet mess, but we'll move this to wash. It'll turn on and then we'll have at it. So we're gonna depress the tab here. Spraying. Being pretty generous with the solution. All right, and then we'll give it a whirl. And you can see it's working pretty good, back and forth where I poured that solution. And I'm just gonna work the carpet here for you, so you can see the thing doing its job and taking this mess out of the rug. See the pet stain? I can add a little more if I want. Spraying. See there. I'm just gonna get back to it. See it there working its magic, pulling all that crap out of there. All right, and as you can see, just that small spot that I literally just treated, you can kind of tell there, it's done a phenomenal job of kind of pulling the feces, right, pet stains out of this carpet. I mean, not bad for just unboxing it 5 minutes ago. You can see the immediate difference. But I'm gonna keep working on this pet mess and clean this up. Yeah, but hope you appreciate the video. Again, the little green Hydrosteam pet by Bissel. It's about $2.30 at Lowe's right now. I'm sure you could potentially find it cheaper. And then if you have like military discount or My Lowe's reward, you could probably knock off a couple bucks. But yep, here's the unit. I'm kind of happy with it, and that's pretty much using it within 5 minutes of unboxing. All right, if you got any comments, let me know. Thanks. Peace.